Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So since my hair is now black and neon green, it's really channeling my inner cyber goth. If I ever went like full extreme emo or goth in middle school, it would have totally been cyber goth. I think that style is super cool. I took a lot of inspiration from this picture in particular. I just love it so much. So yeah, if you want to see how I created my own take on a cyber goth look, then keep on watching. Like always, I'm going to prime my eyes with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and my M421 brush. Now I'm going to buff this out using my M173 brush. So in one of the inspiration pics that I saw, the girl in the picture had two wings, and I thought that was really cool, so I'm going to do that today, but I'm also going to incorporate the little elongated tear duct look as well with some eyeliner. So I'm going to just take my eyeliner and start making the double wing shape, and this little part on the middle I'm going to add some black eyeshadow and fade it into the neon green Makeup a Murder Poison pigment. Now on a wet brush, I'm going to pick up the Makeup a Murder Neon Green Poison pigment and put that on the center of my lid. Now on a M124 brush, I'm going to pick up Blackout by Urban Decay and blend that into the neon green. Now I'm going to go back in with that green to help intensify it. Now I'm going to add a black liner to my waterline. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and I'll be right back. What?
Nothing. You're so serious over here.
Yeah, because I just have to like make sure it's all filmed fine and in frame and everything. Goodbye. Now I'm going to take a M433 brush and some of that neon green pigment and run that on my lower lash line. I'm going to add some of the yellow pigment as well just to make it a little bit brighter, both on my lower lash line and the center of my lid. Now it matches my hair a little bit better, I think. Now I'm going to contour my face with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit and my Morphe E4 brush. Oh yeah, green me is back. So I'm going to use my Morphe E48 brush to take some of that neon green pigment and put it in my blush areas. Now I'm going to take some of my loose powder and blend this in with the green just to lighten it up a bit. For my highlight today, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M501 brush and the shade Glow from the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighting Palette. Ooh, very Tin Man today. I don't even know if anybody else in like the pictures I saw were glowing, but we're glowing. We're a glowing cyber goth. Highlight just saved the day along with these lashes. Speaking of lashes, I'm going to do my under eye mascara before I forget, because I would not have reminded myself at any other time. Okay, now I'm going to take a black liquid liner and begin making the, like, computer chip lines. Okay, so I have these little black circular gems. They are super tiny, but I also have these medium-sized black gems. So I think I'm going to first put them both up here just to see how they look and see how I like them, and then decide if I want to just do one of them or do both of them mixed together, or yeah, that's it. Those are the two choices. I'm going to do the small ones too, just because I knew I was going to do that anyway. I'm going to stick those on with some lash glue. Alright, I'm all done with the gems, but not quite yet, actually. In one of my inspiration pictures, basically the one that I've been following this entire time, she has 3 dots on her forehead, getting from biggest to smallest. I'm going to do that, but with silver gems, so I have the little silver ovals that I've used in a previous look, and I also have silver these, and I have these big silver kind of multicolor shifting ovals. Here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload. Follow my Instagram so you never miss out on a look, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!